Once again, let us all welcome our Miss Universe Asia 2024, Miss Chelsea Manalo.
I love you, Chelsea! Yun na, one, two, three. Wait lang. Dito, one, go. Ano yan? Ano yung laman yan? May lugaw. Pengi, griham.
At the end of play, naka-smile ka. You have to be okay to face your customers. Minsan kahit hindi ka na okay, you have to be okay. Kailangan naka-smile ka because that's your impression. You wanna last that for your customers. You're in a company like that. So if you are actually aspiring na magtrabaho sa isang kumpanya, ito talaga yung reality natin. But maybe it will be different when you're a business owner. Kasi when you're a business person naman, kailangan ganun din yung ibinibigay mo doon sa mga gusto mag-intern or mga OJTs mo or mga students mo.